Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Many people ask if Mailtrack works with Outlook. The short answer is no. Mailtrack does not natively support Outlook. Mailtrack is a very popular email tracking tool. It was specifically built for Gmail users. It integrates directly into the Gmail web interface. It functions as a Google Chrome browser extension. This deep integration is why it works so well for Gmail accounts. It allows users to see double checkmarks, indicating email opens, right within their sent mail. If you are an Outlook user, you will need a different solution for email tracking. There are many excellent alternatives designed specifically for Outlook. These tools offer robust features similar to Mailtrack. They can track when recipients open your emails. They also show if links within your emails are clicked. Many provide real-time desktop notifications. Some popular options include Yesware, Cirrus Insight, and the HubSpot Sales Outlook add-in. These platforms provide dedicated Outlook add-ins or integrations. They allow seamless email tracking directly from your Outlook inbox. You can manage templates and integrate with CRM systems too. So, while Mailtrack is a powerful tool for Gmail, it is not compatible with Outlook accounts. You must choose a tracking solution built specifically for Outlook. This ensures full functionality, reliable tracking, and a smooth user experience. Explore options that integrate well with your version of Outlook. This will help you find the best email tracking solution for your professional needs.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.